are getting ever so excited for the Winter Blues Fest. Going to be firing up later on this evening over at the Marriott downtown tonight and tomorrow night. But tonight is a big night, you guys, because tonight induction into the Iowa Blues Hall of Fame. That is a big deal. And then, speaking of deals, how about the real deal? John Primer, he is here in person. He's performing later on tonight after the ceremonies are over. John, it is such an honor to have you here. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure to be here. I'm happy to be here and to be here this early in the morning to play some blues.
It gives you the blues.
I was going to say, who doesn't love to play blues before 10 a.m.?
It wakes up everybody.
Yeah, you've been playing blues a long time, and we're going to show a CD here in just a little bit that you're part of that is very special to you. But for those that are saying, I think I heard of this guy, how long have you been playing the blues?
Well, it's a long story. I started out like 8 years old playing the blues.
Wow.
All my life I've been playing it, since I was 8 years old. So it's been a long time. I've been playing it for years.
Yeah. And you've had some pretty big blues legends give you a nod saying, yeah, this is one of the best guys ever, including your good friend Muddy Waters, who you are part of a CD here, part of a great collection of music on that too, aren't you? Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, it was a dream that came true. Like all my years I was in Mississippi, I dreamed that I was playing in Muddy Waters' band. And so when I came to Chicago in 1963, and 1979 I joined Willie Dixon Band, and Muddy Waters heard me in Mexico City. We went to Mexico City, and he heard me playing that music. He asked Willie Dixon, who is that young man playing that guitar? And Willie said, that's John Primer. He said, that man know my music. But my dream came true. They always say dreams don't always come true, but this was a dream came true. I was playing in his band.
That is great. Well, make our dream come true. Can you perform on the Great Day program?
Oh, yes, I can.
The stage is all yours.
Okay.
Since my baby left the town, sun shining all day long, but the rain keep on coming down. She my life, I need her so. Why she left, I just don't know. For the day, for the night, since I sat back down and I cried. That girl with all of my mind. Since my baby broke my heart, searching for everywhere, just like a blind man out in the dark. Lord, make a poor man rich, but break his heart, I don't know when. For the day, for the night, I'm like a ship out on the sea, praying for each night that she will come back home to me. Life is love and love is life. I hope she'll come back home tonight.
Soundstage. Thank you so much for being here. Can you introduce the guys who are playing with you here today?
Yeah, this is the band, my band, Real Deal Blues Band. On my left, we got the one and only longtime bass player with the queen of the blues, Coco Taylor. So how about for Melvin Smith? Give him a round of applause.
Nice Bears hat, by the way. There you go.
On the drum, me and the young man, we go way back. I think we his family, you know. His family got the same last name of my mom. So he played a few years with Magic Slim before he passed away. How about it for Lenny LaShawn Medium?
There you go.
Give him a round of applause. On the left, on my right here, I'm sorry. The one and only, this young man, he was playing in my band for like 12 years. And then he moved to Mississippi with his family. Cause let's go to Mississippi. He stayed down there for 11 years. And he's a legendary young man. His father's a legendary. The late Mr. Carey Bell, he got a brother named Louis Bell. His whole family. How about it for Steve Bell?
There you go.
Carey Bell. Yeah. And my name is John Primer, ladies and gentlemen. I'm all the way from Mississippi. I live in Chicago. And hey, I'm gonna try to win this Grammy.
I think you're gonna.
I'm going to California to win this Grammy for that 100 years. CD.
Yeah, and this is collection that you had. This is Muddy Waters' a special tribute, and Johnny Winter is on this.
Yeah.
For examples. Wow. So there's some really cool stuff here. We'll hold this up here so you can see it. This is awesome. Our fingers are crossed. We think it's going to happen. This is such a cool looking CD. We are definitely going to pop it in.
I'm praying for it.
Yeah. Can you do another song for us?
Oh yeah, yeah.
All right, buddy.
Another one from that city. Hey. I wanna get close to you, baby, like white on rice. Close to you, baby, cold as ice. Close to you, baby, it's the hair on your head. Close to you, baby, you better believe what I said. I wanna get close to you, baby. Oh, let me get close to you. Wanna get so close to this woman that she don't know what to say or do. I wanna get close to you, baby, I can get close to you, baby, water's and wet. Close to you, baby, acres in the end. Close to you, baby, South Beach wind. I wanna get close to you, baby. Oh, let me get close to you. Wanna get so close to this woman that she don't know what to say or do. Look at me. I wanna get close to you, baby. I can get close to you, baby. Waters and wet. Close to you, baby. Fires and smoke. Close to you, baby. Like pickles to poke. I wanna get close to you, baby. Oh, let me get close to you. Wanna get so close to this woman, says she don't know what to say or do. Closer and closer to you, baby. Closer to you, baby. Closer to you, baby. Closer to you, baby. Wanna get so close to this woman that she don't know what to say or do. Wanna get so close to her, says she can't do nothing but just look at me. I can't do nothing but look at her, and that's awful close.
legendary John Primer on the Great Day Sound Stage. He's going to be here performing tonight, Winter Blues Fest at the Marriott. Sneak in, do something. Get on out there and get your tickets here. CIBS.org for more information. You do not want to miss this. And John, again, thank you so much and good luck.
Thank you so much.
Bring home the hardware.
Thank you so much.
Okay, that's what we're hoping for, man.
Thank all the guys for getting it.
Thank you guys for getting up so early. We really appreciate it.